Opening it. You have to move out of the way. Oh, thank you. Lucy and I are unloading the dishwasher today. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Let's move you on to the other side. Come here, Lucy. Thank you. Here, let's move you over here. And you can use 2 hands. Here, Lucy, I'll take it over here. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, no. Lucy, can I have that spoon? Oh, thank you. Daddy will use that one. Just kidding. Thanks, Lucy. Oh, thank you. Sure. Lucy just had her breakfast, oatmeal and bananas and cinnamon. She's all energized to do this big job. Uh-oh, here's come the knives. Oh, there it is. 2 at once, Lucy. I'll take the spoon, too. Oh, thank you. At some point in life, this may turn into a psycho scene, but I have high hopes. Maybe she'll juggle knives one of these days. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Look at that big knife. Thank you. Thanks, Lucy. What is that, a spoon? Can I have it? Oh, thank you. 2 at once. Maybe we'll take the knife. Uh-oh. Oh, here. I'll take that. Can you get the spoon? Oh, which one first? One. Lucy, you're dropping them now. Dang. She's not onto the plates yet. Mom still does those. Good job, Lucy. Can you clap? Can you clap? Yay! Oh. That was it. Good job. Yay! Can you smile? Can you smile? You did such a good job. Yay!